Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. So when I was looking for what I wanted to prepare today, I came across a recipe for something called Pommes Anna, or Potatoes Anna. Pomme is French for potato, pomme de terre. And years and years ago, we used to make these in one of the restaurants where I used to work, so I figured I would do a video on this. A little complicated. It involves a mandoline, so if you don't have a mandoline, chances are you're not going to be able to do this very easily. If you do have a mandoline, be careful, very dangerous machine, but we'll talk about that later. Let's jump right in and we'll talk about what we're doing. This is an Idaho potato. The single most important thing is it's a straight Idaho potato as opposed to being bent or like a lot of curves in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the ends off. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this into a cylinder. When we say a cylinder, it should be pretty much really round. So I'm going to just rinse this off and I'll be back in a second. And I'm actually going to prepare my other potatoes. All right, so I have our 4 potatoes that are nice cylinders at this point. And now we're going to use our mandoline. I actually just want to play with this a little bit to try to get it to the right thickness. You want this to be, so that's pretty good, pretty much paper thin. Now, you're supposed to use a guard when you do this. These machines are extremely dangerous, so make sure you use the guard. Anyway, so you're gonna do all your potatoes. We have our potatoes cut now. I'm gonna take probably maybe a tablespoon of olive oil, mix in a bowl. I'm gonna take, I have a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper, and about 5 sprigs of fresh thyme leaves. I'm gonna take all that, and I'm going to mix this up. Now we're gonna add our potatoes. And now we're just going to give it a really good toss. You want to make sure that all the potatoes get coated in oil or they will turn brown. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our potatoes and we're going to take our potato, and now I'm going to go around. I'm going to keep going around probably a couple times around, maybe twice around, I'm guessing. Like so. Good. So it's a nice round disc. And I'm going to do this for all of them, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Our Pommes Anna are now finished, and I'm going to put them in a 350-degree oven, and I'm going to guess half hour to 45 minutes, but could be longer, could be shorter. We'll see how we go with this one. See you in a bit. Our Pommes Anna are now out of the oven. Some of the things that I would have done differently, I would have definitely sprayed the bottom because they did kind of stick. I could peel them off, but it did take a little bit of effort. So I'm going to try one. I think these are also called Galette potatoes. It's kind of like a sliced potato. Has very nice flavor though. If you look closely, the outsides are a little bit on the well done side. Gives like a nice crunch to it, and the inside is nice and soft like a potato. So it's kind of like a sliced potato with a little bit of crispiness to it. Has a really good flavor. Looks very, very nice. It's a very elegant dish. I'm going to be serving it with some chicken later, so I'll show you what that looks like. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and let me know what type of potatoes you like to make. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and be safe, everyone. Bye-bye.